Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What you do? What's good? What's popping? Have you guys been? Yeah, I know it's been a minute since I last uploaded any video on this channel. But guys, I've been through a lot, but I'm back. So I decided to make a glow body butter for us, or seeing the fact that we're in the Hamatan period, our skins tend to dry out and the rest. I just wanted to test this out, and mind you guys, it came out pretty nice. As you can see, I'm testing it out on my body so you can see the results. It's really non-greasy, like it's not like greasy, even though you get the feel that you're applying like something buttery on your body. It's really nice, and I'm rubbing that on my face. My face has really been through a lot, and I'm trying to work something, and I believe this body butter is really going to work fine for us. Also, if you want to see how I made this, keep watching.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
So guys, like I said, it's really been a while. I don't even know how to edit or even talk or even do voiceovers anymore. But guys, okay, I have my shea butter. I think I'll try to leave measurements down. I have shea butter, my coconut oil, and this one is my mango butter, the one in the cup. At least it's going to help to reduce the greasiness of the butter, the body butter formulation. And the other one is my cocoa butter, and then I have sweet almond oil. I have my vegetable glycerin. I like to be extra sometimes. I've not seen anybody using glycerin for body butter, but you know me now. And I have my lemon oil, and that's my mango fragrance. So it's really simple. Just go ahead and pour my butters into the small bowl, the mixing bowl. That's my shea butter. I'm pouring it in. Next thing, I'll go with my coconut oil. Pour that into, I'm sure that's half a cup. Yeah. And then I just take my 15 mils and go ahead and measure my mango butter. Just packing everything in there. It's that mango butter. Try to scoop it out of that spoon. And our cocoa butter, it smells so delicious. It smells like chocolate. Okay, what I have there is my wax, because I'm going to be using something that has water, and we all know that water and oils don't combine. So I'm going to use 10 mils. What was it? 10 mils? What was the measurement? Okay, was it 10? Oh my god, I've forgotten, but I'll check it out and leave it in the description box down below. But I believe that's 10. If I did 3 means I put in like 30 mils of wax, and I'm going in with my sweet almond oil. I'm putting in 10 mils of my sweet almond oil. That bottle was really tight. I'm going to put in 10 mils of my lemon oil. That's my lemon oil. I want this body butter to be a little bit brightening. So that's why I'm using that lemon oil. And we're basically done with this. All you have to do is just take that and put it in a bowl of hot water for all those ingredients to melt, all the butters and the wax to melt. And then for my butter, I went extra. I'm using carrots for the brightening effects and the nourishment, and aloe vera too for the same purpose. So I'm just putting it in my blender, and I'll juice, blend it, and I went ahead to strain it too off camera. I didn't want the video to be too long since I've not been around. I didn't want to bore you guys. So that's our juice, our carrot and aloe vera juice. And you know me now, like I said, extra. I was trying to be extra, so I went ahead to add like 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. And I like to experiment here, but I know that the products I used are safe. They are pretty safe, so you can do your own the way you want to do it. But I went ahead to also add a little bit of rose water. Rose water is really nice. It helps to reduce fine lines and the rest. It has a lot of benefits that I can't talk about them here. So I'm just going ahead to like mix it up, the vegetable glycerin and the rose water stuff. I'm just mixing it up, and that's my butter. Okay, I went ahead to melt it off camera still. The butters, they're all melted, and we're going to combine our aloe vera gel and carrot juice into that butter mixture or oil mixture. For now it's all, and all I'll do is whisk with our electric hand mixer. That's basically it. Just go ahead and continue to mix and let it sit for a while. I put it inside the fridge for it to set a little bit so that it will make the process faster for me. And all I'm doing now is just to mix it up to incorporate air into it to make it look fluffy so that it just glides onto our skin. That's basically what I'm doing. Excuse me. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Mix. Oh, you see that texture? Oh my god, so smooth, and it smells like, it already smells like heaven. The cocoa butter is really giving it a nice good flavor, scent rather, and the rose water too. You see, my whole living room is just smelling sweet. So I just whisked for about 2 minutes, and then I had to put in a little bit of preservative because I have water content in there, and you wouldn't want your DIY to grow mold or grow bacteria or fungi or whatever. So anything you use, any product you make that has water, and you know you're going to be using it for a very long time, it's good to use a preservative. If I was just using just butters, I wouldn't have need for a preservative, but I had to use a preservative because I have water content in there. So I'm going ahead now to put my mango fragrance. Like, I love this mango scent a lot. I love it. I want to smell like mangoes. So I went ahead to put in my mango scent and mix some more. You mix to your satisfaction. I could still go ahead to mix this for it to be fluffier than this, but hey, local woman is lazy. Local woman wanted to get this over and done with, but I love the consistency too, and the color is heavenly. I'm getting that color from the carrots. It's so nice, and it smells good. It smells really delicious. Mix. Guys, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're an oldie, thank you for always supporting, and thank you for the love. I see you all. I'm grateful. And if you're passing by for the very first time, you know you're subscribed and you've watched up to this point, please do me a favor and click the red subscription button down there. It will really help me a lot. Like, when I see those subscribers counts adding up, I give myself a pat in the back that, young girl, you're doing something nice. You see how fluffy it is? so fluffy and rich. Thanks for watching and bye bye.